All right, guys, 2021 and up, 2024 Honda Civic or Honda Accord. We're gonna take out this dash trim right here. The purpose of taking this out because I wanna take out the airbag on the passenger side or maybe the whole dash. So I'm just doing a small little series of video taking this trim right here, this control panel. All you need is just a couple tools. There's no screwdriving, there's no nut, there's no bolts on this. Okay, just a push in retainer. So try to pry it out all around right here, just like that. Same thing on the top. Okay, just pry it out all the way around. Yeah,
Got it?
yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Oh wow. Now all the connector need to take out. Alright guys, there you go. There's lots of tabs in here. It holds with all these tabs. There's no bolts or there's no nut. Okay. It holds this black tabs right there.
Right.
And then this green one right here, light blue. Those are the only one that holds in to the dash right here on those holes right there. Right there. So there you go. Check it out. Alright, so that's how you take out this dash piece. And then the control unit right there for your AC heater control. Not bad. There you go.
Yeah.